Hey guys, this is Sagar Veer and today we are back with a new podcast. This is podcast number 25 and today's guest is Neha Mishra and she's there's a list what she has been doing. So I have to read this and tell you what she's up to. But is my voice echoing?
No, I don't find it echoing.
Okay. So she's a certified NLP practitioner. She's a public speaker, trainer on managerial and behavior skills, coach on personal growth, and counselor on life skills. But before that, how I met her, I'm going to tell you about the Mic Talks, where they gave me a chance to perform stand-up comedy set of mine, and she's the founder of the Mic Talks. So please tell us about Mic Talks and tell first of all tell आपके बारे में बताओ मैं फंबल हो रहा हूँ अभी
Thank you, Sagar. First of all, you have me here with you today. I think this is
yeah
very sweet of you to think about me, to have you, I have always thought कि कोई इतने सारे podcast कैसे कर सकता है, but take a bow, you've been very consistent
yeah
on your
thank you
podcast and, those things. That's wonderful.
thank you
And thank you for that long introduction. It just suddenly made me realize of my age. But I think, yeah, I mean, I'm proud of it. Yeah. Before I get to talk about me, which I think we will talk throughout
yeah
the session, I would like to tell everybody that कई बार और ये होना भी चाहिए कि कई बार हम ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स क्रिएट करते हैं जिसके थ्रू हमें लोगों को मिलने का मौका मिलता है एंड टू एक्सपैंड आवर नेटवर्क एंड meet talented people, and that is one of the platform, the Mic Talk, which is
yeah
one of my platforms,
okay
which is on everything to do with performing arts, from poetry to stand up to music and everything.
yeah
वहीं पे that was the first time, like Sagar you
yeah
mentioned, वहीं पे हम पहली बार मिले थे. I
right
remember you came for the third Mic Talk,
yeah
and
it
that was
was
the
third
first time we met. And
yeah
it's interesting. It's nice that how we stumble upon people who are doing incredible work like you. I mean, I never
right
knew at that point in time कि आप ये भी करते हो. I at that point in
okay
time मुझे लग रहा था कि
okay yeah
stand
I
up
just
is
do
your
comedy
thing. So
okay no
yeah,
I
yeah.
do
So
vlogs I do podcasts I do stand up comedy
uh-huh.
and with that I study also so that I get a job I want to get a government job so
Oh wow.
yeah so I'm studying
Okay.
for that MPSC and UPSC exams and when I get
वैसे ये दो
frustrated
चीजें साथ में जाती नहीं है. That
हाँ जाती
you
नहीं
want
है
to do a
even
government
my
job and
parents
you want to
are
be so
very
creative.
parents are very they get frustrated with me because of these things but it's fine you if you like it you
Yeah.
should do it there's only one life
Yeah.
so I'm not going to
Yeah.
compromise it
Yeah.
so
True, true, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, see, that's one of the principles that I also believe in, right? कि एक ही life है, एक ही life में you can either make it wonderful and be proud of it, or
okay
else not do anything about it and just live the way life takes you, and then one fine day you realize कि मैंने इतना time waste कर दिया.
right
Sometimes people don't even realize that, and I find them luckier that people who don't realize, I think they are better. They at least don't get to realize, but the ones who realize and once it's too late, it's terrible. So,
right
yeah,
so
yeah.
first thing I want to ask you is what is this certified NLP practitioner like I haven't heard or I haven't read before visiting your profile so straight up I want to
Okay.
ask you that
So, इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है कि you have never heard about it or you've never read, because it's fine. It is to give you a definition of NLP. It is called as neuro linguistic programming. That is what NLP stands for.
okay
Okay. Now,
okay
by the word of it, like by the definition of it, it looks really heavy dose, but it is not. Absolutely, the beginner levels are not that bad. But NLP is one of the techniques, one of the proven techniques of how a human mind functions and then communicates. Because
okay
if you see, we are communicating both ways. When we are talking and when we are not talking, in
yeah
both ways, we are actually communicating. A lot
right
of times, you would realize that you have not spoken to anybody, but the other person is already thinking about you and thinking about a certain thing,
right
although you've not really spoken in words.
mm,
So NLP is a very very old and proven technique which
okay
has been mastered by a certain set of people. with respect to communication. It changes your communication like anything. So why am
Oh,
I certified into it and why you don't know about it? The point is very simple. There are certain people who naturally have a liking towards mind and psychology and how people think,
right.
etc. So they land up to courses and to information like this. That's why work needs me to do this. You know, I'm a
Right,
coach,
right.
like you introduced. So my work needs me to do this. But anybody can do it, frankly. For your personal growth, you can do it. For
Okay.
your professional entry, you can do it. Yeah.
Even like I want to tell you that I learned sociology in UPSC. There's a optional subject. So there we had psychology also and sociology, anthropology. So I decided to learn sociology and it it it, it gave me a different perspective about very different things like
Mm-hmm.
about marriage, about relationships, about boys, how they approach girls, how girls they approach boys, caste
Yeah.
system,
Yeah.
and there are there are different things like if you are from lower caste, you marry a upper caste person, then how the relationships are, and
Yeah.
they they're also they're also so different. There are so examples in that, so they are mind-boggling. And I come from an engineering background, so this was a very
Yeah.
shocking thing that this is also option we can read, and no
Yeah.
one tells us
Yeah.
about this.
I can totally imagine. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how did you decide this? Like from generic, like we are supposed to become doctors and engineer, and you are doing this. So that's my
So
question. That how?
So I'll tell you, it's a very good question because a lot of times people think that what you are speaking right now and what you're doing today is
Right,
what you have been doing forever. Or this is how you were thinking from day one. This is what people start thinking. But that's not so. Everybody has a graph, everyone has a journey. But
right.
mine has always been similar to this. So I have spent more than 12 years in the corporate industry
Oh my God,
leading
12
corporate
years.
communication and marketing as functions. So,
Okay,
when you talk about when you lead corporate communication as a function and when you do marketing, all you are doing is thinking how is your consumer talking, thinking, behaving,
right,
buying. I mean, you only and only think about the patterns of a human mind.
right.
Now, at that point in time when I was doing this, I never realized that this is what I will enter into and I will
Mm,
start training one day. Although in my job, I was training continuously. I was training my juniors, I was training my clients and various people. But
mm,
then, this is what we talk, right? It's after all 8 point ऐसा आता है जब आप introspection करते हो, थोड़ा सा अपने दोस्तों के पास जाते हो, थोड़ा सा you rework on your strategies. And that's
okay,
when I did it, I realized that this is what I do very well. I have through and through being working in the lines of how one communicates, how one communicates when he's not talking, like a non-verbal communication.
right.
So, I mean, I said, this is it. This is what I need to build up more upon. And then you start investing in your personal growth, you start doing certifications.
Right.
But let me tell you, I never did certification for the sake of getting more business. I
Oh,
mean, that has one question which people ask me that, हमें ये करना है, हम कौन सा certification करें? That's one
ah,
thing I detest completely. You
oh,
do not need to be certified to be good in a certain field. No. You only do it if you really want to know about it and if you want to dwell more in it. That's the only reason you do it. Yeah.
and you also like you are also a public speaker. So
Right.
what's the maximum amount of audience you have given, like you have spoken to, like maximum audience?
In one go is thousands.
Yeah, for
I was
1,000.
saying 1,200, 1,000 to
Okay,
1,200.
okay,
But my aim for in next 20, 12 months or so, or if it happens early,
okay.
wonderful, is at least 5,000 people.
That
I want
feeling
to,
must be
I want
great.
to in fact do my seminar. Yeah, I think 5,000 is the number.
Because when
Yeah,
the first time I performed, there were 8 people in front of me, and I was so nervous, but I
yeah,
got through it. Next time there were
yeah,
30. Still, I felt that
yeah,
feeling. Then I get through it
yeah,
in front
yeah,
of 100. Then I get through it.
yeah,
And whenever I perform in a school or colleges, there's that
Yeah.
feeling that now there's a big audience and I'm scared. So
But
is
that will
it the
always
same
be. It
case?
happens with me also.
Is it the
Yeah,
same?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. Before every performance, like when I say performance, in my case, the performance is I'm speaking on a particular topic
Yeah.
or I'm training,
Yeah.
something of that sort.
Yeah.
So before every performance, I am in the washroom because that's one of the best things to do. And
Okay.
I'm like, there's a breathing pattern, and I
Yeah.
I practice that breathing
Yeah.
pattern. But at the same time, one thing that goes in my head, in my heart, is I can't do this. Oh my
Oh.
God, I can't do this. This is one thing that just happens. But then now I think with the years of practice and years of performing, I think it's been like कि हाँ वो आता है, वो कुछ seconds के लिए आता है, and then I'm like, I can just
Let's
change
do
my
it.
mind and
Let's do it. Let's go.
yeah, let's do it. Yeah. I totally
Yeah.
believe in the book, right? Fuck it, let's do it. So
Oh.
that's how it is. Yeah. Yeah.
Even I first time did the gig of stand-up comedy, so it was that
Mhm.
attitude that helped me to go on stage because I was going to run
Yeah.
away and my mind was telling me, let's
Yeah.
go home, let's go home. But I had that will.
Yeah.
We have came this
Yeah.
long, you can't go home from here now. Like,
Yeah.
what are
Totally
you doing?
understand that. Yeah.
So
That's natural. That's very
yeah,
natural.
yeah.
Yeah.
And what
But
does
you
it?
know what?
What?
The thing is, no, Sagar, the thing is, you and I can laugh about it because we have progressed. We have
Yeah,
overcome this
yeah,
and we know. But you know what? There are so many people who
yeah.
have, and because I train people personally, I coach people personally.
Okay.
There are so many people जिनके साथ जब ऐसे incidents हो जाते हैं, they leave it for life. And that is also very natural.
Yeah.
So we need to talk about people like you and me need to talk more about how
Overcome it.
they need to get up from that stage. Yeah.
Yeah.
How you should not let your first or second failure affect.
Right.
That is what is our
But
responsibility.
there's a fear of failure in everything, but few people just give up. Like even in stand-up comedy, we don't get laughs
Yeah.
right away.
Yeah.
So you can't quit.
Yeah.
There's no
Yeah.
way you will quit. But I have seen
Yeah.
few friends of mine who started
Yeah.
with me, but now they
Mhm.
are not there. They are
Yeah.
just studying now. They don't come for open mics.
Yeah.
They are just depressed that नहीं हो सकता मेरे से.
No, I don't think they need to. I mean, there are a lot of factors. वही बात है कि which we will about, but there are a lot of factors which define your success, which define your stage presence, which define your
Yeah.
failure. And a lot of times, natural failure is okay, but a lot of times failure happens because you don't invest and you don't even invest into knowing and further that what was the real reason behind me not doing well for this one. Are you doing your why? What went right? What went wrong? Every time when you get into something, I do it for every little thing I get into.
Right.
So I mean, it's a practice. You need to
So
do
do
that.
you
You
think
need to
that
face
this
it.
is because of lack of confidence, like lack of self belief?
Okay, lack of self belief तो होता है, but सबसे बड़ी बात है determination.
Yeah.
I think determination and discipline define everything. Why do you have to go and perform every time for somebody else? Are you performing your set 20 times before you are going in front of an audience? I mean, I'm talking for people who are not able to crack it.
Okay.
So are you doing that? Have you changed your strategy? Are you
Okay.
determined? Are you really disciplined? Are you passionate about it?
Yeah.
If you are not, then वो फिर आगे की सारी चीजें होंगी. Self belief नहीं है, ये है, वो है. I mean, but I work with so many clients. I mean, recently, I've been working with few people for whom I'm working on how to improve their self belief. We do 5 sessions, 5 hours with them, and things change. So ये सब change हो सकता है, but determination होना चाहिए.
So from that we'll come to the next point. You are the trainer on managerial and behavior skills. Just tell me what is it, because मेरे को सब same ही
I
लग
think
रहा
it's
है.
I think it's getting really heavy doors. We can talk very minutely about it.
Okay.
Simplicities and managerial skills are the ones which you need for managing managing mostly a team. So when you have a team of 3, 4, 10, 20,
Okay.
whatever, those are the skills that you need to manage the team. Now these are mostly non-technical skills. Right? So things like how to delegate, how to negotiate, how to handle your time well, things like that.
It's like bargaining.
Behavioral skills. Yeah.
right?
Negotiating. Yeah. I mean, right? I mean, because you negotiate with your clients, you negotiate on timelines, you negotiate on delivery. There's so many things that you negotiate on,
Yeah,
right?
different language.
So,
It's street smart to be street smart, right?
yeah, street smart is more casual, I think,
Okay, okay. Yeah,
or,
yeah, yeah.
or a more studentic language, you can call
Okay.
it.
But it is different.
Yeah.
When you said
It's
managerial, I
different.
thought it's a day-to-day activity, like how to manage your day in a productive manner.
Yeah. So if you look at it from a team leader point of view,
Okay.
yeah, or you look at it from your home leader point of view, your mother. Just look at your mother.
Yeah.
Now, mothers mostly have managerial skills really well,
Yeah.
but the
Yeah.
only difference
They are
is that
great.
they are handling a small team.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
the only thing
Yeah,
is
I'm
they're
getting
handling
it.
a small team. Yeah, it's just that. बट यू नो व्हाट टुडे आज की डेट में ये स्किल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं टेक्निकल स्किल्स मैंने देखा है इनफैक्ट ये एक चीज है जो विच इज समथिंग आई वांट टू चेंज इवेंचुअली एंड आई कीप ट्राइंग टू डू दिस दैट लोग अपने टेक्निकल स्किल्स में बहुत इन्वेस्ट करते हैं यू वुड नॉट बिलीव दे स्पेंड 30,000 पेइंग फॉर वन वर्कशॉप ऑन अ टेक्निकल स्किल
Yeah.
नाउ
Even I
व्हाइल
do.
दे डू दैट
सॉफ्टवेयर
या आई
सीखने
मीन
के लिए हम
गुड
करते हैं.
I'm not saying that it's wrong
Yeah,
but I'm
yeah, yeah.
saying they
I'm
do
getting it.
not work on their behavioral skills
Right,
वो नहीं कर रहे अपने कम्युनिकेशन पे काम वो लोग नहीं कर रहे अपने टाइम मैनेजमेंट पे काम वो नहीं कर रहे अपनी टीम मैनेजमेंट पे काम
right.
पीपल डोंट लाइक देम अराउंड नाउ they're upset they can't get the work done they can't do everything on their own
Like people just
so now
write
what
it in their resume. Team worker.
yeah I
Team
mean
player.
yeah and then you have no idea when I interview people and when I ask them give me one example of a team player that you are
Oh,
and then I'm like oh my god how many people do I reject because you know they just don't even understand what does that
acha,
mean
okay. So they are not able to understand the
oh
term.
yeah, they think teamwork is going out with your team for chai, for fun
What?
breaks, and just maintaining healthy and nice relationship with your team. That's what they think teamwork is. That's not what teamwork is, right?
So before
We'll
starting
meet you
this,
some other day to talk about what is teamwork.
okay. So before this, you were telling that you wanted to talk about communication. So what was it? How we
Yeah.
want to how we want to approach that?
I mean, if you have a question to ask me, communication is a big topic, right? I mean,
Okay.
we
So I'll
communicate
ask.
when
I'll
we
ask.
talk.
I have one question.
Yeah.
So if
So,
yeah, I have a girlfriend, and if I want to have a healthy relationship with her, then there's only one key thing I think that it's important to communicate because I'll know
what is
everything.
that? Sorry?
The most important thing is to communicate, to know everything what she thinks. But
Yeah.
girls are like that; they don't tell what they are thinking. So
Yeah.
they want us to communicate, but they won't
Yeah.
communicate. So how to get out
Yeah.
of this?
Yeah. So, I think this this is a wonderful example. I am no expert in telling you about although how girls think and girls talk, but
No,
I can
not about
definitely tell
girls.
you a
I'm
little
not,
bit.
I'm not
I know, I mean that
asking
was
you
in a
like a
good
love guru, but in just
just like a
communication wala sector.
yeah, I get the joke. So now the thing is this: when you like, for example, when you just spoke about we should talk in the relationship. That's
Yeah.
the most important thing. I think that's not the most important thing.
Okay.
The most
So
important
what
thing
is?
is we should listen. We should listen
Okay.
and we should I think the success of all relationships and sorry really all relationships of all sorts lies in mostly a non-verbal communication
Hmm.
because most of the times if you start retrospecting you would realize that most of the time you are listening or not listening but you're ready to say your part of the story you want to communicate what you are thinking you want to clarify you want to you want to give examples of how you are thinking so half of the time it's both the people equally thinking about how do I tell my
Themselves.
point yeah
Hmm.
now, listening is a very important thing. And when I'm saying listening, I don't mean to say that just become one front and listen. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm
But to
saying that
understand,
give your
comprehend
give
it.
your mind really yeah, comprehend it. I mean, give your mind really a thought behind how to listen. Now, a lot of people say कि you know what, now how do हम कोई परमात्मा थोड़ी है कि हम बिना बोले कुछ समझ जाएं. But if you really re-evaluate this question and think about it, that there are so many times when you have gone to a friend and said, hey, you're not looking very well. Is something bothering you?
Yeah, this happens.
Or you have happened, right? So you
Yeah,
don't want the person to actually say in
Say
language.
anything.
So,
Ah.
right? So it's about a capability that we humans have been given. This whole instinct
Like
that
vibing
we
it.
keep talking,
So,
we're gifted.
yeah.
Yeah, right? Now, if you actually look at it, but वही चीज है, इतना time कौन invest करे? इतना
Oh.
कोई क्या करे? तुम्हें बोल दो भाई, सीधे सीधे बोल दो
Yeah.
क्या issue है, क्या दिक्कत है. But just in case अगर उस बोलने में मैंने कुछ गलत word use कर दिया या गलत
तो फिर तो बेटा
gesture use कर लिया, it's over, right? Everything is just screwed out.
everything's in audit now.
Yeah.
So,
So अगली बार when you're speaking to your girlfriend, you actually listen more.
yeah, like even I listen, but your point is valid. So, like we are
Yeah.
always ready to tell our part all the time. So,
Yeah.
we should listen more.
And you think about this in all relationships, huh?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
think
yeah.
about this
With
in
everyone.
your everybody. You think this is the phenomena. हर जगह ये होता है. So
Yeah, this
yeah, there you
podcast
go
is
with
an informative one, guys. So help yourself.
Unlike Sagar's other ones, which are more to do with fun and chill, and you know, I wonder your friends must be like cursing you, like ये कौन आ गया यार, ज्ञान बांट रहा है.
No, they won't. Like, they should also learn something. Like, they're also my friend. There's a relationship there. So listen.
I think they have no choice unless and until you don't save the story. I think they have no choice. They have to listen to
Yeah,
this.
they have to. Even this will come on YouTube and Spotify. So I just push content every day.
Yes,
I'm not
absolutely.
So my next question is, what do good listeners sounds like?
Listener.
No, good speaker sounds like. Oh, sorry.
Right.
What do good speaker sounds like?
Okay. What does good speaker sound like? I think I would talk more about how does good speaker behave like. Okay? Because sound is very simple. I think everybody can answer this, right? Sound is fluent, confident, right vocabulary, articulation, tonality, all of that somebody who has. That one is called as a good speaker, right? That's how a good speaker sounds like. But now let's talk about how does a good speaker behave like. So let's say, for example, you go onto the stage. And now when you're on stage, before you even open your mouth, people start making judgments about you. So despite of you not talking, like I was just saying a while back, you are still interacting. You are still communicating. So what's your body language when you go? So body language is one, very quickly if I have to touch on. Body language is one of the most important things that a good speaker has to always be assured of. So it should not be a closed body language. It should be open. Shoulders should be uptight. You know, you should be you should be moving your hands a little bit, not overdoing, but you should be able to, your facial expressions play a major role. Your smile plays a major role. So a good speaker is always bringing in that little element of smile in between. You know, the nerves over here are relaxed, on forehead are relaxed. A good speaker is connecting with you more, is tilting a little bit in the front to listen to you instead of just being too stiff. A good speaker is giving you the chance to say your point and interacting. He's more of interacting than just orating. You know, that's one of the problems. हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी issue है ये. Being a good orator is not enough. Being a good interactor or somebody who can communicate, interact is more important. Yeah.
Is it hard to maintain patience? You must know.
Of course.
With students who are not able to learn anything.
No, I don't think they should learn. Yeah, it happens. I mean, let me not become like this one person who is trying to. Yeah, it happens. It's just very irritating. It's very irritating.
Sometimes it must be.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so there's one question. How can one make their words more effective? Like मैं
Can
जो
you
भी
repeat
बोलूं तो
that?
how one can make their words more effective.
How one can make their words more effective?
Yeah. When I'm speaking, when I'm performing, I don't want them to get distracted. I want their whole
Oh,
attention
okay.
while performing a joke.
Okay. Okay.
Because there's a four line
Okay.
ka joke.
Sure.
I can't afford that.
Sure. 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 Absolutely. So I think you need to one is you need to prepare your audience before you are coming up with your punch.
Okay.
So that's one thing. When I say prepare, you need to make sure that your audience is glued with you. So
Hmm.
your impact is not just those 4 lines or your
Okay.
2 line punch.
Okay.
Your impact is before that line of punch. So,
हाँ.
like for example, I have seen that
Oh.
कई बार होता है स्टैंड अप के केस में कई बार होता है कि आप अपना पंच बोलते हो और
Hmm.
पंच बोल करके आप फटाफट नेक्स्ट पे मूव कर जाते हो या
Hmm.
आप उसको ओवर एम्फसाइज करते हो. तो दो
हाँ.
चीजें हैं. एक,
हाँ.
लेट ऑडियंस डाइजेस्ट व्हाट यू जस्ट सेड. Let
Hmm.
audience digest it, understand it, and some
Hmm.
people are actually slow, so they will not understand also. So give
Right.
them that little time, you know.
Time.
And then the second thing is don't like overpress it. आप बार बार उसी चीज को फिर मत बोलो. कई बार होता है कि आप वो पंच बोलते हो और ऑडियंस ने रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया,
हाँ.
ऑडियंस ने हंसा नहीं, जो आपने
हाँ.
शायद किसी और ऑडियंस में देखा
मैं
होगा
हंसाया
कि
था.
वो
हाँ.
ऑडियंस बहुत हंसी.
बहुत
हाँ,
हंसी
बट
थी.
अभी नहीं, इसमें क्या हुआ कि ऑडियंस नहीं हंसी. So now
Hmm.
you need to give that leeway to them कि maybe they were not glued with you, maybe they genuinely did not understand, maybe
Hmm.
the surroundings were not
That
conducive
great.
enough for you to be
Hmm.
able to crack that joke. ये सारी चीजें
Hmm.
होती हैं. तो इसलिए
Right.
आप वो पंच बोलने के पहले अपनी ऑडियंस को कैसे प्रिपेयर करो by
हाँ.
using your right body language, by making sure that your voice is clear. You know, anybody who works in the field of performing arts has to have a good and impactful voice. So you need to work a lot on your
Right.
voice. काफी
Right.
practice करो, breathing की, vocal cords की बहुत practice करो. आजकल तो YouTube पे इतना कुछ मिलता है. So you can just go and look
Does
for vocal
meditation
cord
count?
exercises.
Or
You know, you need to know why you're meditating. What exactly are you doing? For what
yeah.
purpose? That's
Okay.
important. Otherwise, ऐसा नहीं है meditation will change everything for you. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah,
So,
I started
good
doing
orator, you need
meditation
to have
because
right words.
to keep to to maintain my saneness because
Yeah,
it
that's good.
keeps me
You
cool.
can do that.
Yeah,
वो
but for
अच्छा है.
vocal things, so there's a YouTube thing you said.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I
okay,
mean, YouTube is one of the source. I also help people to do this, but I'm just
okay,
saying for like your
okay.
quick hack. For
Yeah, it's a
hacks these
general
days,
thing.
YouTube is
Everyone can.
everything, na?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. And
yeah.
then you also should work a lot on your diction. जैसे मैंने कई बार देखा है जब लोग ज्योग्राफीज अलग अलग जगहों से आते हैं, कोई साउथ
Hmm,
से आ रहा है, कोई राजस्थान से आ रहा है, इस
hmm,
तरीके से जब लोग आते हैं तो
hmm.
उनका एक डायलेक्ट होता है बोलने का, उनका एक
हाँ,
डिक्शन होता है, एक तरीका
हाँ,
होता है बोलने का, राइट?
हाँ.
वो चीज पे सबसे पहले काम करना चाहिए, उस चीज को कंटिन्यूअसली इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए कि कैसे आप, अब हाँ, अनलेस एंड अनटिल आप उसको अपने कॉमेडी में एज अ पंच यूज कर रहे हो, अगर आप वो कर रहे
हाँ,
हो, वो
okay,
आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी है
okay.
तो ग्रेट. बट
Hmm,
अगर वो आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है
नहीं है,
लेकिन वो हो रहा है, अब
हो
बिकॉज
रहा
ऑफ
है.
विच अब सामने वाला समझ ही नहीं पा रहा है आपका जोक, आपका पंच समझ ही नहीं पा रहा है, so that could be
Hmm.
another reason. So and then I think simple language is very important. वो भी बहुत important चीज है, simple language. Do
Yeah,
not
this happens.
complicate it,
This
इतना
happens.
भी ज्यादा articulate मत कर दो कि
Hmm.
you know एक सिंपल से वर्ड को आप मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट फॉर तरह से बात कर रहे हो, या इंग्लिश की वो
Right, right.
डिक्शनरी का जाके सबसे डिफिकल्ट सिनोनियम आप बोल रहे हो, ये मत करो.
हाँ,
सिंपल
हाँ.
चीजें यूज करो, हिंदी हो या इंग्लिश या मराठी या कोई भी रीजनल लैंग्वेज.
So you have a good you know about these things about behavioral skills and managerial skills, but people love to correct others.
Yeah,
Like if I'm speaking wrong, they will point out there
yeah,
and then, or if
yeah,
I'm writing something, I have written a caption, so they won't like they are mostly invested in more in correcting me than to get the emotion out of it, what I want to portray or I want to tell them.
Yeah.
So, how is it right to correct others then and there, or there's a way to do it?
Oh, okay. Now, this is very subjective, okay? So, for example, जब लोग आपको बिना
Okay.
जाने randomly correct करते हैं, तब, I mean, then
Okay,
it
yeah.
hurts a little bit because, you know, like, there's no trust.
Okay.
See, सबसे important जो चीज है
Yeah.
किसी भी तरीके के change में, that is trust. और या किसी भी तरीके की listening में या acceptance में वो trust होता है. So, until and unless you don't trust the person who's giving you the advice, the very first thing will be like, यार तुम कहाँ के माइके ला लो?
हाँ, वही
You know what? Yeah, I mean, तुमको किसने authority दी कि तुम आकर के ज्ञानबाजी करोगे?
Right.
Right. So I have seen that something very major even in influencer format. जैसे हम लोग Instagram पे हैं, I also have a lot of followers on Instagram, and उसमें कई बार ये चीज होती है that जब आप लोगों को interact करते सुनते हो या when people start trusting you, only then they start commenting and then they start giving their opinion. Unless you are a celebrity. So we are not talking about a celebrity status where
Okay,
everybody
yeah.
goes
Yeah,
and
friends,
vomits their emotions, you know. तो उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. But I think ये इस बारे में बात करके एनर्जी भी लगाना कि is it right to give opinion if all that is useless, frankly, because
Okay.
not useless really, but baseless है because उसको आप रोक नहीं सकते.
Right.
You
रोक
should
तो
trust
सकते नहीं.
people. The people, yeah, the people who you trust are the people who you should listen to,
Listen
and you
to.
should engage कि भाई क्या
Yeah.
तेरे को अच्छा नहीं
क्या
लगा
गलत हुआ?
या engage in a conversation.
Right.
तेरे को क्या लगा या इसको और मैं take for a suggestion. That's another thing. लोग सिर्फ देते हैं advice कि ये गलत है, but बहुत
हाँ.
कम लोग ऐसे होंगे जो ये बोलेंगे ये ऐसे हो
बताएंगे भी.
सकता था. Those are the people that you want to be connected with and you
Yeah,
want
this
to take their
happens
advice.
with the YouTube videos every time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's why I asked
Yeah.
you कि ये बंदे
Yeah.
ने कुछ जिंदगी में आज तक एक वीडियो एडिट नहीं किया, लेकिन अभी
Yeah.
बताने का कि ऐसा कर वैसा कर, तो मतलब मेरे को भी नहीं आता
Yeah.
वो ऐसा
Yeah.
कर वैसा कर. I'm also
Yeah.
learning, bro. So give me some time. I'll learn first.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's why I
Yeah. So
asked.
till the time he's giving suggestion कि ऐसा करो या ये कर सकते हो, if it's suggestive, then it is very good. If it's solution driven, तब तो बहुत जोड़ के ले लो कि भाई ठीक है. But अगर सिर्फ उंगली करना है, like you know, if somebody is just like bothering you and like doing all that,
Yeah.
then just ignore it. I mean,
It's not
they don't
suggestive.
deserve it.
It's judgmental. It's just judgmental things.
No, anything that bothers
there's
you and makes you
judgment
feel
का
I'm being
sound in
judged
that.
and all,
There's
leave
an
it.
opinion. कि-
I mean, see, now we all know, right? Like you guys millennial generation. I'm also a millennial in a way, but your generation is more of digital generation. तुम लोग
Yeah.
पैदा हुए हो almost with
Right.
you know
हम लोग Facebook
with
में पैदा हुए हैं.
flatter mobile phones and Facebooks and all that. So, buddy, you can't help it. You have to bear with it. Yeah.
So you are a counselor on life skills. What are life skills?
Okay. I think बहुत ज्यादा हो गया सागर. मुझे खुद को embarrassing लग रहा है अभी इतना ज्यादा बात करते हुए खुद के बारे में.
नहीं
I
नहीं नहीं,
suddenly
मैं
just have
generally
started
पूछ रहा. अच्छा,
feeling
you can
that
ask me
my
anything. There's no thing.
No, I'll quickly touch base upon. So मैं बहुत simple तरह से बताती हूँ कि I'm a counselor, I'm a coach, you know.
Okay.
So I help people in their personal growth, in their professional growth. तो कई बार होता है कि आप एक जगह पे जाके stuck हो जाते हो. कई बार simple as कि आपको career आपने choose तो कर लिया, अब आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. आप कर तो रहे हो एक particular course, अब आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Now you're not able to express yourself. You're not able to, you don't have trusted resources in terms of कि मैं जाके advice लूँ मगर किसकी लूँ. And then a lot of times there are things that bother you कि भाई मैं ये करना तो चाहता हूँ but मैं नहीं कर पा रहा. सेल्फ बिलीफ से रिलेटेड, सेल्फ एस्टीम से लेकर के, कम्युनिकेशन से लेकर के, इस तरह की कई सारी चीजें होती हैं जो कि आपको आप चाहते हो किसी से बात करना एंड सोल्यूशन ड्रिवन बात करना. So that is what I do. I consult people and I'm a coach, like I said. And एक चीज और है, to answer your thing very shortly. अब आज की डेट में क्या चल रहा है? कोरोना चल रहा है, राइट? बिजनेसेस, काफी सारे बिजनेसेस अफेक्ट हो गए हैं, काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं, राइट? कैन यू हियर मी?
Yeah.
Yeah. तो काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स अफेक्ट हो रहे हैं. अब ऐसे केस में पीपल हु आर एबल टू मेंटेन देयर सैनिटी, स्टिल लुक एट पॉजिटिव अप्रोच इन लाइफ, मेंटेन देयर mental wellness, maintain, pursue some other hobby, or are able to make use of some hobby into progressive direction. All these things come under life skills. Skills
Right.
that you can use to sustain and to fight the challenges of life. You know,
Okay.
that's
So
what is life
I
skills
wanted
in a
to
very
ask a question
simplistic
about
way.
this, so that's why I asked you this. There's one thing I've been thinking a lot about. People say
Right.
that about the people have that perception about one person that he's emotional. ये ऐसा ही
Okay.
है, ये sad ही रहता है.
Yeah.
He's funny.
Right.
So
Hmm.
why we should give that one thing to that person? He's a person. He feels everything. He's sometimes angry. He's sometimes
Yeah.
jealous. So
Yeah.
why define
Yeah.
it? Why define a person with something? So I thought it's not right
Okay. So
to define one person.
absolutely. Now, if you go to psychology, okay, if
Yeah.
you take now, see, this is what happens. We start saying and labeling people based on
Yeah.
our own stereotypes and our own biases,
Yeah, right.
right? अब वो जो हम आसपास सुन रहे हैं, हम अपनी
हाँ.
फैमिली में देख रहे हैं कैसे जज होता है, सिंपल सी चीज है ना. Why you even going to friends also? You
Right.
go to family itself and
Yeah.
you will see how you would see your parents or your family makes comments and things about certain people.
Right.
तो ये जो हमारे अपने stereotypes and biases हैं, हम उसके basis पे ये सारी activities करते हैं. Now, on the other hand, you will also see people who like to look beyond and invest in looking beyond your external appearance and your basic habits that you do. They like to look at you more as a person, more as your character values, etc. But ऐसे लोग although कम हैं. Yeah.
Right.
So, going back to what you were just talking about, and I was saying, if you go back to psychology, right? Psychology
Right.
suggests the many models where they say from MBIT to DISC, and I will not get into those details. But these models suggest what kind of different people are exist. So,
Okay.
एक इंसान के अंदर या क्या क्या अलग अलग कैटेगरीज होती है. जैसे कि हम जब
Characters
करियर भी चूज करते हैं,
Okay.
हाँ, तो हम जब करियर भी चूज करते हैं तो पर्सनालिटी टाइप असेसमेंट करते हैं. कई बार जब हम हायरिंग करते
हाँ.
हैं एज एचआर,
हाँ.
तो हम
हाँ.
पर्सनालिटी टाइप असेसमेंट करते हैं. तो वो हम क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि एक्चुअली हर एक अंदर बंदे के अंदर कुछ क्वालिटीज डोमिनेट करती हैं, कुछ क्वालिटीज सप्रेस रहती हैं. अब उसी
हाँ.
तरीके से आप लोगों को अलग अलग ब्रैकेट में डालते हो. तो मैं ये बहुत शॉर्टली बिना बोर किए मैं ये चीज बताती हूँ कि
नहीं, बोर
ये मैं
नहीं हो रहा,
क्यों कह
बिल्कुल
रही हूँ,
आप बताओ.
इसलिए कि ये मैं चीज क्यों कह रही हूँ, क्योंकि लोग जब नॉर्मल इंसान को आप देखोगे तो वो ऐसे खटाक से जजमेंट पास कर देगा. बट अगर जो थोड़ा लर्नेड है,
हाँ.
जिसने थोड़ी पढ़ाई करी है, जिसने थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट किया है
हाँ.
इन चीजों में, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट
हाँ.
एवरीबॉडी, लाइक यू राइटली सेड, एक बंदे के अंदर वो चारों पांचों ट्रेट होते हैं. इट इज जस्ट दैट
हाँ.
2 ट्रेट डोमिनेंट होते हैं, 2 ट्रेट सबमिसिव होते हैं.
हाँ, right.
दैट इज ऑल. तो
But-
हर बंदा हर कुछ कर रहा होता है बेसिकली. ये चीज है.
राइट. तो वो ऐसा अपन नहीं बोल सकते कि ये बंदा इमोशनली है, बिकॉज सेइंग दैट पर्सन इफ ही इज नॉट स्ट्रांग वो ले लेगा, और वो अभी ओवर थिंक कर रहेगा तो फिर तो वो गया.
Yeah.
तो
No.
वो
So
चल
now
दी गाड़ी,
that
उसके
is
घोड़े
where
तो
the
अलग ही
person
दौड़
has to
दिए.
use their life skills. हाँ, तो वहां पे वो
Yeah.
बंदे को, अब ये गलती सामने वाले की नहीं है. मैं ये कभी नहीं
Hmm.
कहती कि जो लेबल कर रहा है ये उसकी गलती
हाँ.
है. ये
Okay.
गलती किसी की नहीं है. बट ये जो प्रोसेस है ना कि इसमें
हाँ.
आप हर्ट हो जाते हो या आपको इफेक्ट हो जाता है,
हाँ.
मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देखें तो मॉरली सामने वाले को ऐसा आपको नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
Right.
बट अगर हम प्रैक्टिकल टर्म्स में देखें तो ये आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है दैट हाउ यू कैन सेव योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल दीज थिंग्स. दैट इज व्हाई दे से राइट, सेल्फ हेल्प है. दैट्स व्हाई दे से एवरीथिंग इज विद इन यू, योर आंसर्स आर विद इन यू, ऑल दोस
within you.
बिग
Buddha.
big statements,
Yeah.
which is true. Actually, it's all within you. How you cope up.
So,
In fact, एक चीज
right.
और भी है. आप अगर एक
क्या?
चीज और बोलती हूँ, दैट इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज है. हाँ, अब बंदे को सोचने भर की बात है. मान लो किसी ने आपसे आके बोला कि आप तो कितनी इमोशनल हो, ऐसी चीजें नहीं चलती हैं. ठीक, you would also, if you go back and you realize, there must have been somebody who would have told you, you are बिल्कुल not even 1% emotional. how insensitive you are. You don't
Right.
even care about others.
Yeah.
So the same
Right.
person is being judged by different people differently
Different
because
people.
of different relationships
Right.
that this guy
Right.
has or this girl has. So,
Yeah.
it's like
But only
that.
negative things stick with them.
Yeah,
Like
that's
all
because
the
the
time.
power of the mind is not strong. That's
Right.
because you're not strong enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't know how to handle
But if
these
if
things.
if if the person is strong, he can easily deal with these things because these are not that hard to deal with, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you need to not deal with these things. You need to understand these things and then just, you should expect these things.
Oh, okay. Got it.
You are talking about a reactive approach. I'm talking about a proactive approach.
Right, I'm getting that. Yeah. Like these things are very hard
I'm
to
loving this
understand.
conversation.
Like I think too much about these things while meditation and all. So,
Yeah, yeah.
so this was a
So
great
somebody says,
conversation.
Saurabh.
What? What?
Saurabh
Acha,
says,
Saurabh,
expect the
expect the
unexpected.
unexpected.
Yeah, I mean, in funny sense, absolutely. But I think जो godly चीजें हैं, जो आपके control में नहीं है, उसमें expect the unexpected. But I think these things so are you can expect like this. Like you're going onto a stage, you very clearly know what will be 5 common sentiments of people. So I think,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it
yeah.
is expected
But
then.
yeah, Saurabh, we agree with you.
So you were telling about the
Yeah.
personal coaching and one-on-one approach, the one-on-one things you do. So
Yeah.
how was that? Please explain, and then
So
we
these
will
are
wrap up.
these are usually yeah, of course. So these are usually 1 hour sessions that I conduct. And,
Okay.
they start with, let's say, like I said, people who are dealing with their professional roadblocks. You don't need to be depressed to come to me. Please
Okay.
don't misunderstand. I don't want audience
Okay.
to misunderstand and think कि अरे जब जिंदगी में सब खत्म हो जाए तब जाओ. That's not what I mean.
Yeah.
But in your professional or in your personal journey, if you feel that you're facing a roadblock, you are not able to find somebody who you can talk things out and you're looking for solutions,
Okay.
that's when I come in picture and I coach you. These are usually 1 hour sessions, and these are paid sessions. And what we do is we have a few minimum work on everybody on a very customized and personal level. So it's not like I have a template and I just run that on everybody, because every human
Yeah.
is different. So I work with
Okay.
everybody in a very, very focused and specialized approach. And yeah, I mean, you can take my
Okay.
help to grow, basically, in short. I'm
Right.
available. I help people do that professionally. I'm certified to do that. So yeah, I can help people
How
on that
how
front.
how people
Yeah.
can approach you if they want to get in touch with you?
So yes, absolutely. So I think they can get in touch with me through Instagram. My handle is @NEHTALKS, Natalks. You
Okay.
can pin that probably so that people
Yeah, yeah,
can see
yeah. I
that.
will. I will. I will.
And yeah, and people can also approach me via email. So they can
Okay.
write to me at neha@nehatalks.com. Neha, that is NEHA, at the
Okay.
rate NEHATALKS.com. So
Okay.
yeah, they can email me, or they can reach out to any of my friends like you,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and
Sure.
then you will guide them
Yeah, I'll
further.
redirect them
Yeah,
if anyone is there coming. Is
sure,
anyone interested?
sure, sure,
And so, thank you,
sure.
ma'am. Thank you for coming on this live session. This is fun podcast number 25, and I hope you also
I
enjoyed it.
hope I was able to contribute to the fun
Yeah,
element and
yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
make it too boring and too strict. I mean,
It's always fun to talk to someone because everyone is different. Like people say this is boring, this
right.
is that. I don't think that way.
Yeah.
Like everyone has a
Hmm.
different kind of boring thing and there's a fun to that. So just we have to
I am
understand what's fun for you.
I am glad that this conversation is pretty much on this note where I am telling you few things and you are telling me few things. It's good to know
Yeah,
that
yeah,
yeah, okay. So I take my words back. But I enjoyed it. I really loved it.
yeah,
It
yeah,
was
yeah,
lovely, and looking forward
yeah,
for some more fun,
yeah.
and
Yes.
conversing in time.
So,
Great.
so guys, please like, share, subscribe.
Welcome, welcome, boys and girls. है